And here, Erika is going to express her views, emotions.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Erika Thapa. I live in class 1. I live in Dunbar. I am singing Kamaraima. Patuki Kasera Musu Musu. Hasiki Basera Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Akane Rambayo Mampaleni Ota. Akane Rambayo Mampaleni Ota. Tindo Pani Indo Zara Sitita Masankata. Akata Hinesa Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Yukum Makota. Akane Rambayo Mampaleni Ota. Akane Rambayo Mampaleni Ota. Thank you.
Thank you, dear, for expressing the romantic theme of love, imagination, and passion. Thank you, dear. And here, dear student is going to express also now their introduction. Dylan is going to perform as a talent.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bibi Sesta. I did in class 1. I am singing. William Sumaya Timrogar Kobal Talina